Hey guys, Kai here with another trading tutorial. In this one I'm going to cover the sequential indicator. So the sequential, or TD sequential, named after Tom DeMark, who invented it, is a simple indicator that just counts from 1 to 9, with 1 being the start of the trend and 9 being the likely end of the trend. To get a green 1, the close of that green 1 candle needs to be higher than the close of the candle 4 candles ago. And if the next candle after that is also higher than the close of the candle 4 candles ago, it goes on to a green 2, and so on, all the way up to 9. Now we'll see from the chart that some of the 8s and 9s are colored yellow, and this is just an indication that it's an extreme signal because you've had 8 or 9 candles where the close has been higher than the close 4 candles ago, and for those 2 candles in particular, the close has also been higher than the previous 2 candles. For the red ones, it's exactly the same thing, just the opposite, so the close has to be lower than the candle 4 candles ago. As you can see, I've circled a couple of 8s and 9s on the chart that seem to mark the turning points. If you look up here, while they didn't get the top exactly, or other places like down here where we didn't get to a 9 or we slightly missed the top, it's not 100% perfect, but more often than not it'll get you round about where the tops and bottoms are going to be. As you can see in here, there's also a couple of places where we continued on the trend. Maybe there was like a slight pullback and then the trend kept going. So you're going to want to use this in combination with either a candlestick pattern or some kind of other indicator. But for something as simple as counting from 1 to 9, I think it's a pretty powerful tool and worth giving a try in your trading. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, give me a like and I'll see you on the next one.